Today I'm going to show you guys how to drive a 13 speed shifter. This is a 2017 Peterbilt. So basically this is how you do it. Okay. Alright. So start off neutral, right? You want first. Taking off slow, second, the way you normally do it. Third, fourth, and then you flip the splitter. Go to fifth gear, right here. Once you're reaching the high RPMs, push this forward. Once you let go of the gas and let go, the truck will automatically go into the high gear. And then you hit the gas again. And then as you're driving, you're going to reach the high RPM, click backwards, and go into 6. You're in 6 low. You go into 6 high, forward, let go of the gas, goes into 6 high, and then you hit the gas again, you're in 6 high. And you're about to go to 7. Get back, go into 7th gear, you're on 7th high, I'm sorry, you're on 7th low, and then as you're reaching your high RPM, click forward, let go of the gas, hit the gas again, and the truck is set 7 high, and then you go all the way to 8, same process, and so on and so on. Downshift, say you want to go on 13 low, you just backwards, let go of the gas, hit the gas again, it will automatically go into 13 low.